Hi guys, welcome back to Parking. We are having Jarvis here, and this is her Instagram story. She just posted this video just for addressing sake. She's addressing the issue, the news, the rumors that are trending on Twitter for the longest. So people are saying on Twitter that she left her career just for Pella. She has actually ruined her beautiful niche, her content niche. The niche she was into, that AI niche, was a very beautiful one, but now she has ruined that just because of trying to be in the spotlight because of Pella. And at one point they would both separate, and then she wouldn't be able to go back to her own original content because of the mess she might have caused herself by then. So now what's happening here is that she posted this video just to show when she actually started her relationship with Bella, when the both of them came, like the both of them started talking to each other, exchanging, good words, good sentences, love words, and all of that. So Jarvis is saying before she started AI work, or before she started AI acting, she already knew Pella, and Pella was always calling her. They were always doing video call. So she's addressing this thing, and she's not even stopping only there. If you look closely, you are going to notice that they are making a love video call together. So these two are actually telling the public that yes, we have found love and you should allow us to stay here. And if what we're doing is not working for us, if we are saying that we are not doing well for ourselves, or we will not do well for ourselves with time, then why are we now here that they have gotten this far? Because of the both of them, because of the love, the growth, the strength they have found in their relationship. So I'll leave you guys to watch these clips yourself so you hear what she has to say herself, right? But before you do that, please hit that subscribe button, get followed, follow the page, and get subscribed to the channel. Turn on the bell notification icon on so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. And also let me know in the comment section what you think about this relationship. Are you in support that they should both separate just because of their selfish interests, personal interests, or they should still be as one? And also follow the page, share the video. I love you.
Zabad Aminata, aka Jarvis, aka Jarvita, aka Ronnie KG.
Talo kore.
Sa?
Talo kore.
Hela.
So ni fere.
I'm coming.
So ni fere denu.
Rice and beans.
Il est crazy. I say you love him with your stomach, No, denu. I say you love him, reach your belly finish. Like you love him. Kidney.
Yes, sir. And me love Belle Rich Bonbon.
Shut up. So ni fere denu. Abofin say. Graphic ni ìtẹ̀yìn olóyìnbó sì máa pè ní fídíò. So
I am Princess Jarvis.
I am Queen Pella.
No, you're a king.
Queen.
I'm a queen. Do like this.
Listen everyone, God forbid. You know what? Back forward.